Hi, math friends. I'm going to teach you today about comparing fractions. When we compare fractions, we need to know that the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. Okay? So the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. Okay, so if I said I want to know if a fraction is greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? Remember, with a greater than sign, we've got an alligator chomping at the big number. So he's trying to eat the big number. Okay, so we have 1/4 and 3/4. Okay? And I want to draw circles with this one. So we're just going to draw circles because it's much easier to do fractions when you look at a picture. Okay, so I need to divide this circle into, the denominator says how many parts? 4 parts. Okay, so first I'm going to split it in half. There's 2 parts here. I divide it again, and now there is 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here. Okay, so if it's 1/4, the numerator says 1/4, that means it's 1 part of the whole. Okay. All right. Now this one, denominator is 4. So again, I divide this so that it's into 4 pieces, or for a total whole is 4/4. That's a whole. Okay. And then the top number is a 3. So I need to shade in 3 parts of the whole. Okay? So here's the question. Is 1/4 greater than or bigger than 3/4? Or is 1/4 less than 3/4? We know they're not equal. Yep, you got it. It is. This is less. You can see that this is less than this. So we go like this. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Okay, if I said 3/6 and 3/8, I want to compare these two. Let's draw some more circles. Okay. All right, so this denominator says 6. I have to break this up into 6. Well, I know if I make a V and put right in the middle, there's a V, and draw a line down so it looks like a Y, I know that this is 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. But I need to keep going because I need to have 6. Okay? So I'm going to divide each section into a half. Right there. So now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1/6. This is 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, and 1/6. And they're saying 3/6. I need to shade 3/6 in. 2 and 3. Okay. Now this one over here says 8. That means I have to divide the whole into 8 pieces. Well, I remember back here I had 4 pieces. So I think if I divide those again, that would be 8 pieces. So here's a half. Here's 4 pieces. Now I'm going to divide this in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. Okay? They want us to shade 3/8. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So they're asking us which one's bigger? Is 3/6 greater than 3/8? Let's look. Let's compare. Okay, so this whole thing is shaded, and this is shaded. So I think it looks like this is bigger. Okay? Alright. Nice work. Okay, let's do some more here. Okay, if I said 2/4 and 3/4, and I'm going to use a square like this. Okay, with the denominator, if it says 4, I need to know how many lines do I need to make to divide this up. Well, here's a trick. If you take 4, take away 1, that equals 3. So I know I need to make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And that divides up my rectangle evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 pieces out of this hole. Okay? Remember that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 4 equals 1. 1 whole. Alright. Now they're asking us to shade in 2. Right? So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. They want us to shade in 2. So there's 2/4 are shaded. Okay, now I'm going to make another rectangle, and I'm going to make it right next to each other. And again, how many lines do I need to make? 4, take away 1 is 3, so I know I need to make 3 lines. There's 4 right there. Okay, so this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. I need to shade in, though. They want 3/4 to be shaded. Okay. Alright, now they want to know, is 2/4 greater than, less than, or equal to? Which one is bigger? Right? This one right here. This is bigger. So 2/4 is less than 3/4, because remember, the alligator is going to eat the big one. Okay. All right, let's go into our last one here. And if I said 3/6 and 3/8, I said 3/6 and 3/8. Okay. I want to make another rectangle right here, and the denominator is 6. So remember the trick I told you? You take 6, take away 1 equals 5. I know I need to make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 lines. So how many segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. And each one is worth 1/6. Okay? Alright. They want us to shade in 3/6. So here's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to make another rectangle the same size. And this is different, though. It says 8ths. So remember, if you take 8, take away 1 equals 7, then I know I have to divide my rectangle with 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines right there. Okay, so this is worth 1/8. All the way down, 1/8. Okay, and they're asking us to shade in 3/8. Okay, there we go. So now what I'm going to ask you is 3/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 3/8. We know it's not equal, but if you look, this one is shaded all the way over here, but this one only comes to here, so this one is bigger, and the alligator wants to eat the bigger number. Okay? Alright, my friends, kiss your brain. Nice job. Go ahead and do your worksheets, and if you have any questions, let us know.